Hey, what's up guys, it's your man JB here, and back with another job vlog. I haven't done one of these for a while. It has been quite a while since I did one of these, so hopefully you'll enjoy it and give you a bit of an idea what we're doing. Let's have a look up here. Oh look, got Mark in the background there, kind of hiding behind the scaffold.
Hello.
And what we're doing here on this job is sorting out this ceiling. We're giving it a clean because the cobwebs are pretty bad. I'll show you that in just a minute. And we are insulating, as you can see, just around here. So we have made a start already, and then we are plasterboarding. So we've got all the plasterboard over here as well. Now, we did a job very similar to this a couple of years ago.
It was, yeah.
A couple of years ago now, and very similar. Putting insulation up and putting plasterboard up. So this job's a little bit easier. We've got the scaffold tower. The ceiling isn't too high, so it's all quite good really. It's quite nice and easy. So yeah, we're just cracking on, getting the insulation up. We'll get that done in the next hour or two, and then we'll be able to start getting some boards up. So let's just have a quick look. Let's just show you these cobwebs right up here. And they really are spectacular, to be honest. Mark's already given much of it a hoover, but you can probably see up in that corner there they are quite bad. But Mark's got a fantastic hoover, a gutter hoover, nice long hose and everything. So yeah man, we are sorted. So yeah, I'm gonna mask and goggle up again and start getting this insulation up. Right, so I'm all covered up and just getting some of this insulation in here. It's a real pain though, because these rafters are all different pitches, so it's been a little bit annoying, but we're getting there. So there we go, just getting this in, trying not to get in your face, which is always the worst bit. So me and Mark have done I think a couple of jobs. A couple or just one?
One. Just one.
Oh, I did some with Brian up in London, didn't I? If you check some of those other vlogs. Yeah, this is the first stage, just getting this insulation up in here, and that's fitting really nice. So there we go, look. That's not going to go anywhere, and then we'll obviously get the boards over the top of that. Right, just a few more to do then. So you can see my main man Mark is up there doing the old hoovering with his long hose. These cobwebs are awesome, man. Absolutely awesome. Crack on with a bit more insulation up here now. Well, that's the first stage done, and as you can see, all the insulation is done in the roof. Check it out. Yeah, that's not too bad, is it? So that is now, it's 1 o'clock, it's lunchtime, day one. It's taken us, what time do we start? 8 o'clock. By the time we got going, it's taken us about 4 hours. Get all the insulation in, we've had a tidy up, and we're going to have a spot of lunch now, and then we'll have to start thinking about getting these panels in, or get the boards up rather. It's a little bit awkward because of the size of them. It's going to be a lot of cutting down, and these the beams in the ceiling aren't they're not all equal either, so that's going to be a little bit of a pain. We're going to have to cut a lot of the panels, a lot of the plasterboard panels, but you know, obviously to suit the rafters. But hey, never mind, we'll sort it out. Anyway, I did go into Screwfix this morning to pick up some drywall screws, and I don't think I quite realised I ordered a box of 1,000. That's a rather big box of screws. I don't quite think we're going to do 1,000 on here. We've only got like 17 sheets of plasterboard. So lucky if we do 100 maybe. Well, maybe a bit more than 100, but 1,000. Mark, we got 1,000 screws.
You sure we got enough?
Anyway, I'll have some spare, keep them in the garage. Oh, I could put them in my screw cupboard that I made. Yeah. Anyway, right, let's have some lunch and then we'll start putting those boards up. As you can see, we've got some of the boards up already, and I just got to jump up, get a few more screws up in that one there. Let's get a couple more screws in. Is that one ready to go? Huh? So I really would like to have a proper drywall screwed on nail gun, but I don't really do it that much to warrant it. Actually don't do it much at all, but there you go. Just the odd job, now and then. Well, the weather is absolutely rotten outside. You can hear it, the old wind's blowing a hoolie. And yeah, it's a bit wet and nasty, but we've really cracked on with this ceiling. You can have a look. You can see we've done quite a bit now. We've done the most awkward bit sort of on the angle, so we've just got a straight run on both sides to finish now. So yeah, looking good. What do you reckon, Mark?
It'll do.
It'll definitely do. I think it looks quite smart.
Yeah.
I think we've got we've made it all fit quite nicely, really. Can't help that little bit underneath the rafters. But yeah, you can hear that wind, can't you? Bloody awful. And there we go. Nice. So we've just got this bit to do. Let's spin this round. Hello.
Hello.
And you can see there, I've just got this little bit here to do now. So yeah, the insulation's fallen out. But that's fine. We'll stick that back up and get those boards in. Alright, let's crack on. Alright then.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There we go.
At least you haven't got to cut it. Right. Let's tuck that in. Right, go for it. Is that good?
Slightly higher.
How about now?
Too high.
Just push it down.
Right there.
How does the edge look?
Yeah, it's fairly square.
Keep them out a bit.
Yeah, push it too far through the wall.
I heard it. Oh.
Think about health and safety on this video.
Health and safety?
Is she?
Don't worry about health and safety. You never get a thing done. It's my apprentice. Right, cool.
That should hold it.
Yeah. Good stuff.
All yours.
Bit flowy up here.
Just a tad.
How did I do the last one?
Measure.
It's there, 420. It's there, 420. That's it. There we go, we're getting there. Finished. We're done. Check it out. Well, you see the boards up there, so a couple of sheets of 18mm marine ply. I think it's marine ply. It's either marine or birch. I think it's marine. But just for a bit of storage up there. But yeah, there we go. I'll take you up the top there. Oh, can you see that? There we go. All done. Lovely job. So end of day 2 has taken quite a long time today. Took a bit longer than what we were hoping, to be honest. But got the scaffold down and just having a bit of a tidy up now. Well, on, Mark. Yeah. looking forward to a drink tonight, actually.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah. So yeah, good. Another job done. JB and team. JB and MR. Mr. JB. Yeah, cool. Right then. Let's get tidied up and sorted out. Alright?
Over and out.
Over and out. He wants to go home. So do I, actually.
Yep.
Right. See you on the next video, guys.